Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to fix PayPal errors when adding it to PSN payment methods. If you're unable to link PayPal to your PSN account, or you see messages like your payment information has been updated too often within a short amount of time, or your card could not be updated, the problem is usually related to account security, payment information, or regional restrictions. Fortunately, there are several things you can check to resolve the issue. Now let's get started. First, if you receive a message saying your payment information has been updated too often, stop trying to add your PayPal account. Now wait at least 24 hours before trying again. Remember that if you attempt to update your payment method during the waiting period, the 24-hour security timer will start over. If you need to make a purchase immediately, use another payment method or redeem a PlayStation Store wallet top-up code. Next, make sure online payments are enabled for the debit or credit card linked to your PayPal account. If online payments are disabled by your bank, PayPal may not be accepted by PlayStation. Now, check the PlayStation Network Service status page. If there is an ongoing PlayStation service issue, wait until all services are back online before trying again. After that, confirm that PayPal and your linked payment method are supported by the PlayStation Store in your region. Then, carefully review your payment details. Make sure your name, address, and billing information match exactly with your bank and PayPal account. If your name or address contains special characters, try replacing them with standard English letters and remove symbols such as hyphens, apostrophes, slashes, or asterisks. Now verify that your PayPal account and your PlayStation Store account are registered in the same country or region. If they are registered in different regions, PlayStation may not allow you to add the payment method. Finally, if the problem still continues, contact your bank, card provider, or PayPal support to confirm that your payment method is active, has available funds, and hasn't been blocked for online transactions. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.